Okay, I think today is going to be interesting. So far, I've only seen the app on one screen, my screen, on my Samsung Android, which, will be honest, doesn't tell me much because people don't use the same phone. Different screen sizes, different resolution, different everything, different iOS operation system, yeah. And definitely I don't have 20 phones lying on my apartment.
Hello, rich people, Troy's joining you. Yes, I'll hold.
So today I'm going cheat a little. Instead of buying every iPhone or every Android phone on the market, I'm going to use the simulator. Hopefully they tell me the truth, how my app look like on iPhone screen or another Android screen. And I hope they don't make me cry today. Let's find out. And first of all, ChatGPT make me like a to-do list what I should do to check my app on another screens. So I use a MacBook, it's a M1 series, so first of all I can install what? iOS simulator, it's Xcode. So first of all I install Xcode and iOS simulator. It's point number one for me because, as I mentioned, I have a Samsung Android. It's a I don't know if I remember. It's Samsung S22 Plus or Pro. I bought it in 2022, so it's a Samsung 22 Galaxy 22. I also asked my husband to provide his phone. He also has an Android and also has a Samsung, but another version, so it's manual testing. Okay, let's do it. What? 9.45 gigabyte. I need a new MacBook. I don't have such space. Okay, I already tested the app on a few iPhone simulators, and honestly I was expected more problems, but everything looked surprisingly good. Yeah, at least on iOS. iPhone I tested on iPhone SE, iPhone 17 and iPhone 16, but also a little suspicious because I haven't looked at Android yet. Android simulator. I've never really worked with React Native before because I haven't looked at Android yet. If you've been building app for a while, you probably know where this is going. So now I'm installing the Android simulator in a Cursor AI. I've never really worked with React Native. It's my first time, so I have no idea what I'm about to find. Maybe everything will work and Cursor AI make a good mobile app. Let's find out. Okay, I have already instruction for ChatGPT how to install Android simulator. I hope I have a free space on my laptop because When I installed Xcode, I should delete some apps from my computer and some videos because I don't have enough. I didn't have enough space. So I need new laptop. Please send me some. Please send me some new laptop. 1.4 gigabytes. Okay, not bad. Install.
Thousands of tears later.
Most of time today I spent only installing some components, some programs, and it took a lot of time actually. I didn't expect. I thought today maybe it took 1 hour and I finished testing all of them, but in reality I spent 1 hour installing Xcode because I am actually using VS Code, all components for Xcode, and then I installing Android components, and I don't need a testing on Android gadgets. I send it App Store and Google Store and write a note. Please, if you have a Pixel phone, don't install the app because I didn't test it and I can say it worked well. But if I spend now 1 more hour installing some components, removing some files from my laptop, and after that simulator shows me my app is good, I will very happy, but it took so many time.